Hello bafethu, welcome to the channel. Igama lami nguNkululeko, also known as Ulego. If you are new to the channel, I just want to say thank you very much for popping by. Hopefully you're gonna like what you're gonna see, and hopefully you're gonna stick around. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you very much for being by my side. We are on our way to reaching 500 subscribers. We are currently on 300 subscribers. I actually received an email from, not an email, but a message from YouTube when I reach my 300s. So hopefully soon I will get another message stating that I've reached 500. So with you by my side, 500 is actually nothing, guys. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. Hopefully you will continue to support, and I promise to bring you useful content that you're going to use, basically, not just wasteful content where you're going to waste your data for nothing. I hope to bring you good content, valuable content for you guys. So I just want to say thank you very much for being by my side. Okay guys, before I continue, I have my daughter right here. She always wants to crash into my videos, as you can hear. So please bear with me while I'm trying to make this video. She is gonna disturb me while I'm trying to do this video, so please bear with me. So guys, I'm actually shooting this video live from PNB. It's actually very hot, guys. As you can see, I'm actually sweating, but I don't want that to prevent me from making videos, guys. I have to do it in one way or the other. So not to waste any further time, today's video I want to talk a little bit about YouTube, guys, because I noticed that there is a bit misconception about YouTube, especially on my side, basically on my community, the community where I'm coming from. People are not really educated about YouTube. I'm not sure about your side. Probably people on your side or your friends, they know about YouTube, but it's not the same case for me. So that's why I actually decided to make this video today, just to give a little bit education or information, if you may put it, about YouTube. So if you want to find out more about YouTube, probably I'll give information that you didn't know about YouTube. Stick around and watch this video. Okay guys, so basically before we continue with the video, there is a question that I want to answer, and the question is, what is YouTube? Basically, yini YouTube? Alright, basically YouTube is a Google service, is one of the Google services where basically you can stream videos online, any types of videos that you can think of. Videos ranging from educational content, sports, news, fashion, anything that you can think of, basically you can find it on YouTube. So basically it's one of the Google services. So which means in order for you to become an authentic YouTube user or YouTube subscribers, it means that you must have a Google account. So basically a Google account is the account that everybody is used to, where you go on Gmail and you open a Gmail account. That's how you get a Google account. You have to open a Gmail, you have to register, provide all your details before you can become an authentic YouTube user. Otherwise, you can use YouTube, but you are unable to get the full experience of YouTube, like subscribing, liking videos, commenting to videos. So if you are not logged onto your Google, or if you are not registered onto Google, onto Gmail, you are unable to fully get the experience of YouTube. So a lot of people have this conception that in order for you to be able to access YouTube and subscribe to YouTube, you must pay. So a lot of people find that if they try to log on to YouTube, what YouTube will actually do is, when they try maybe to like a video and they're not logged onto YouTube, YouTube will actually prompt them for their email details basically. And then as soon as YouTube asks them for their email accounts, then they think that there is a fee that they are going to pay because in order for them to be able to use the YouTube service. Whereas that is not the case, guys. Basically, if you are not logged on to YouTube, if you don't have a Gmail account, as I said, you are unable to react, to like, comment, subscribe to any YouTube channel. So that's why when you try and like a video and you are not logged on, what it will do is it will ask you to sign in to Google. So that is why it'll give you that message. Not to say that you have to pay a fee. It actually wants you to log on so that you will be able to get the full experience of YouTube, which is to like, subscribe, and comment to videos that you like on YouTube, basically. Okay, guys, what I want to do now is basically I want to talk about the relationship that I have with YouTube. Basically, what do I do on YouTube? Whether I'm subscribed on YouTube or anything like that, because I'm sure a lot of people are actually wondering now if I'm actually active on YouTube. Yes, I am active on YouTube. Probably that's one of the reasons you are looking at this video. It's because I am a YouTube subscriber, meaning I have a Gmail account. I am able to subscribe to various channels that I'm subscribed to. For example, I am subscribed to one of the most popular channels on YouTube, which is MacG. I like to watch MacG a lot. Before, what I used to do on YouTube, I used to follow a lot of web developers. I used to watch a lot of tutorials on YouTube about web development. Finally, that I've actually went on to actually open my own YouTube channel. So I am active in that way, that I have a YouTube channel as well. And I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. If you are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, so just to answer the question, I am fully on YouTube. I'm not paying anything to subscribe to channels on YouTube, because I'm sure a lot of people are probably asking themselves now, how much am I paying to have a channel on YouTube, to subscribe on channels on YouTube? I'm not actually paying a cent, guys. These are all free services that you get with YouTube when you sign up for a Gmail account. It's one of the services is you can open a YouTube channel, of which any one of you can actually do it, guys. As long as you have a Gmail account, you can open a YouTube channel and become an influencer or whatever you want to become on YouTube. So yeah, the last question that I want to answer is basically if it costs anything. So yes, I did mention it just now that to open a YouTube channel, you don't pay a cent. To subscribe to channels, you don't pay a cent. But let me advise you that there are channels which have Patreon subscribers, meaning that there is extra content that the channel owners will give you, and then if you want that extra content, then that is the only time that you will pay, is if the channel has a Patreon account or a fans only account. That's the only time you will encounter a payment, of which each and every one of us can do it on YouTube. I'm not sure of the requirements in order to open a Patreon account on YouTube. Yeah, I'm not sure what the costs are, if you have to have maybe a certain number of followers or anything like that. I'm not sure. But what I know is anyone who has a Gmail account can open a YouTube channel, can have a Patreon account on YouTube, but you must provide information that is valuable to users for you to be able to open a Patreon account, you to be able to demand money from viewers from YouTube. Your content is good enough, people will pay for the content that extra content you provide. But The misconception of that if you subscribe to any channel you have to pay, that is not a good concept. You can subscribe to any channel without paying, but a Patreon account where people divert to another site where then they have to pay for things, of which it's entirely up to you. If you want to pay for those services, you can pay, but nobody is obligated to paying anything on YouTube. You pay on your own. You pay on your accord, basically.